The disastrous collision between a goods train and the Kanchenjunga Express, which was on its way to Sialdah station in West Bengal, has resulted in loss of multiple lives and injured several others. The collision occurred early morning when the goods train reportedly overshot a signal and struck the rear compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express, causing them to derail near Rangapani station in North Bengal. The death toll is likely to rise as rescue operations continue. Essentially, Chairman and CEO Railway Board Jaya Verma stated that prima facie suggests human error as the cause. Moreover, she revealed that the driver and assistant driver of the goods train and guard of Kanchenjunga Express train have died in the incident.
We have to control human error also, जिसके लिए कि कवच is the most important thing जो कि proliferate करना है.
Meanwhile, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has pledged a prompt action and offered assistance to people impacted by the disaster. As per the latest reports, the minister is urgently headed to the site of the accident to ensure relief operation and the cause of the incident. The centre has also decided to provide an ex gratia compensation of Rs 10 lakh in case of death and 2.5 lakh towards grievous injuries and Rs 50,000 for minor injuries to the victims. Meanwhile, President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed their condolences. The casualties include multiple passengers on the Kanchenjunga Express as well as the drivers of the cargo train. Early morning, when the goods train reportedly overshot a signal and struck the rear compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express, causing them to derail. A massive rescue operation involving National Disaster Response Force, State Disaster Response Force and railway officials is underway. For assistance regarding the Kanchenjunga train collision at Sialdah, the NDRF has issued helpline numbers, while a help desk has also been set up for assistance of the victims and their families. Furthermore, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, while expressing shock, stated that rescue and relief operations were underway, adding that she too would visit the site of the accident. There are 15 ambulances and medical crews on the scene. The area's high rainfall is making rescue operations difficult and making it more difficult to deliver emergency aid. The tragedy has caused long-distance train services to be temporarily suspended, and authorities are still working hard to deal with the fallout from this tragic accident.